Hi there. Let's talk about passive income ideas. In this video, I want to share with you 7 passive income ideas which you can look to jump into now going forth for you to be able to make good amount of money. And even so, guys, you can even make upwards of 10K per month. If you take them very seriously, cultivate them, and then over time, it's going to be able to even rake in for you over 10,000 per month. And by the way, when talking about passive income ideas, we don't mean that you don't need to work. By the way, you need to understand one thing. Regardless which source of income out there, you need to work for it. And of course, it's going to take some time and effort. So understand that you need to put in effort in this. You need to put in time for you to be able to realize the rewards or the benefits of these passive income ideas. And by the way, passive income is one of the most awesome ways a person out there can actually make money. And I'm saying so because with passive income, you can actually make money even when you are sleeping, even when you have stopped being active in what you are setting up. It means you have systems which are working for you and actually you are making money. You are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. The first business idea which actually can become a passive income idea which you can look to actually exploit is the idea of content creation. What I'm doing right now, you creating content for different platforms out there. It could be you're making content, for example, to upload on YouTube, for example, to put there out there on Twitter, to put out there on TikTok, Instagram, you name it. And I'm saying so because the era we're living in is the internet age, whereby people out here are consuming data, they are consuming information in ways never seen before. And of course, you can make either visual information out there, like for example, YouTube videos, or even you can even make written information out there. You can be sharing with people, for example, through blogs, websites, you name it. Just understand that people out here are really looking for information each and every day. People are Googling out there to find new information, to find new interesting things out there, and also they're jumping on YouTube for them to be able to catch up on the latest things or even to catch up on their favorite topics, whether it is finance, technology, you name it. So you can jump in content creation. And by the way, through content creation, it is an awesome thing. To give you an example, this video I'm making right now, this video alone could even maybe make me over 10K US dollars, right? And mind you, I'm putting in an effort into making this video maybe an hour or two. And it's going to be on my channel for the longest time possible. Continuously continue to make me money through Google AdSense. And even so, maybe even attracting endorsements out there, deals, you name it. That's how awesome content creation is. Of course, it's going to call for you to put in hard work upfront. And I'm talking about you having the basic of investments out there. Like for example, you having a camera to shoot your videos. If you don't have even your cell phone, your smartphone is a perfect tool for you to be able to use. It's going to call for you, for example, to buy very basic things like a simple lavalier microphone, which is going to assist you have audio input into your video capturing device. Okay? If we're talking about maybe websites out there, it's going to call you for you, for example, to purchase a domain out there and even hosting for the year. And even with this, we're talking about you investing somewhere under 10,000 Kenya shillings or equivalent of about 100 USD. And you're going to be off to a very good start. So consider content creation and hopefully you're going to be able to make money through content creation. And then the second passive income idea which could look to expert and actually be able to make money for the longest time possible is you automating a given side hustle. What am I talking about? Guys, the business of automation out here and software is a very big business. And I'm saying so because you can, for example, have a digital store, right? Through which you are pushing a given product. Maybe, let me give you an example. Maybe you are selling second-hand clothes. Why not automate this? Whereby your payment is automated, guaranteeing that actually people are making orders are going to be able to purchase what you're trying to sell and so forth. Or even so, you can have the model whereby it's automated and actually get the money on delivery. Ensure you automate your side hustle. For example, you might be selling clothes out there. Have this in a given digital store, right? Even organize, have someone to be delivering whatever products out there which people are requesting for. And through this, you're going to be able to unlock your time to do other things because your business is going to be automated. things are going to be continuing as usual, albeit through automation. And also, you're going to be setting up systems through which your business is going to continue and you focus your effort elsewhere. But in reality, you are still making money through this. And that's an example I'm giving you through a particular physical product. Even you can do the same with digital products out there. And by the way, with digital products out there, you can jump on whichever website out there, whether it's Etsy, you name it, whichever kind of any marketplace out there, have your digital products out there. And most importantly, also you could use even your own website. The most key thing that actually you can utilize a payment gateway, whereby everything happens automatically. Someone once you're given digital product, they go ahead to purchase it. The checkout, of course, is gonna be removed from your particular website, or if it's a license for multiple users, it's gonna continue remaining there, but you're gonna have gotten your money. Guys, look to have an automated side hustle business, and through that, you're gonna actually be able to realize better returns of the efforts you're putting in. And then the third passive income idea, which you could look to jump into and actually is gonna give you insane amounts of money too, is you selling your digital products. And I'm talking about if you have a very unique digital product out there. For example, a book, for example, a course, for example, an e-learning material or so forth. Guys, jump on this particular and ensure you sell this particular digital product. Of course, you can combine this digital product, also sell with some form of automation, and be sure you can actually rake in insane amounts of money. And I'm saying so because I've seen out there, for example, people even raking in upwards of 50K per year through selling their own digital products, maybe ebooks, maybe their master courses. And this is passive income because you're going to spend some amount of money creating these products. But once you have them up there, they're going to be up there for the longest you want. Think about it. Maybe you invest 1 week creating a given digital product, right? And then it's going to be up there for 10 years or even 3 years before you refresh it and so forth. Guys, this is an avenue for you actually to make a killing when it comes to making money through passive income. So don't hesitate. Create your own unique digital product out there, more so if you have an audience, because even take a small percentage, maybe even just 0.5% of your audience purchasing. Guys, that is crazy amount of money, which you can easily be able to make and even make a full-time income of you selling your own digital product, right? And then the fourth passive income idea, which you can look to jump into and actually goes with a mix of different things you are doing, is you pursuing affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is essentially modern time salesmanship kind of job, whereby you are assisting different companies out there or even giving individuals or businesses out there get leads for their products, for their services. And also in case, for example, they get conversions, chances are you're going to get paid more amount of money. Think about it. There are different law firms out there which have affiliate programs. Even there are different e-commerce platforms out there, like for example, Amazon, which have actually these affiliate programs through which people out there can assist them get leads, and in case of any conversion, you get a portion of that particular selling. We're talking about you getting a commission. And by the way, a good number of businesses out here are even making upwards of 10K to about 150K per month based on the volume and traffic they are driving to these particular affiliate links. You might be wondering, how exactly does it work? You could, for example, be a YouTuber out there. Why not under your videos have, for example, affiliate links of maybe gear you're using, of maybe a given product you talked about. Maybe you have a website out there. Also have the hyperlinks for different affiliate products out there. And in case a person clicks on those particular links, takes them to that particular site they're going to, and if they can be able to make a conversion, guys, you're going to be able to get a commission from this. This is an awesome business because also once you put the links there, you put the driving content out there, it is there for the longest you want. And through that, you can also be able to make good amounts of money through affiliate marketing. And then the fifth way through which you can make money through passive income is actually you investing in what we call dividend stocks. What am I talking about? Investment is the end game of you building wealth. In other words, you need to be purposing to invest for you to be able to build sustainable wealth. If you can be able to invest in those kind of stocks, which have consistently shown that actually they are giving dividends, and more so, dividend payout has been increasing and increasing over the years. be sure you can also be able to make good passive income, because once you put money down through these investments, dividends is actually the payment of the company for you to get some portion in their gains or profits annually. And through this 100% passive income, because you aren't really actively working for that. The only thing you put down is actually your initial investment in these particular stocks, and annually you're going to be getting dividends, more so for those high dividend paying stocks out there. And the key thing is, if you want to continue getting more and more dividends, the goal is actually for you not to cash out. Ensure you plow back the dividends you're getting from these particular stocks. And if you plow back, it's going to mean your principal investment is going to technically be increasing and increasing. And that's how people out here are making crazy amounts of money. For example, someone like, for example, Warren Buffett. So penny stocks out there which he put money down on maybe in 1960s, 1970s, and right now we're talking about him constantly being among the top 5 richest people in the world, because these stocks grew over time. And even so, he didn't stop. He continued investing and investing in many more stocks out there. Right now, these coupled with these investment companies out there and other fortunes out there have really skyrocketed his wealth, meaning he has seen the rewards of these dividend stocks continue to plow back into his investment, and him seeing his wealth continue to increase and increase over time. And then the 6th way through which you can also make passive income is through you renting out your equipment, more so in case you have awesome equipment and high value equipment which people are sorting out there. For example, you might be, for example, a YouTuber or even a videographer out there. You have awesome cameras, you have awesome gimbals, you have even maybe a drone. Why not look to be renting this out periodically? And through that, you can be making passive income. And I'm saying so because when you're not using this equipment, they are actually idle. What if you rent them out? People are going to pay you for just time usage of this particular equipment. Maybe you're renting them out for an hour or even a day. Guys, that's another way of you making passive income. And by the way, it doesn't really need to stop at videography. You could look in whichever space you are out there. There are those unique equipment you are using. Why not look to rent them out? Even so, take an example, maybe you have your own compound, maybe you have your own lawnmower, and even so, neighbors or people within your vicinity don't have lawnmowers. Why not look to rent out this particular lawnmower and be able to be paid for it, maybe for hours of usage? It could be another way of you making income, albeit passively. You could get even someone to assist you with this particular kind of business, and be sure you're going to be able to make money. Of course, you bought this particular equipment upfront, you are using it for your own utility, but even so, other many people out there are also needing this kind of equipment. Rent it out and be sure you can be able to make passive income without really you sweating. Of course, there's a caveat to this also. You need to take care of your equipment in that. Don't rent it out, for example, people out there who are reckless. They might end up breaking down your equipment. Ensure also you have someone who can assist you look after this particular equipment. It doesn't have to be you. And over time, you're going to still be able to make passive income. And then the 7th and last way you can go about making passive income is through you rendering consultancy services. What are these? You could be an expert in your own field. You could be a trusted authority in your own field, maybe in science and technology, maybe in videography, maybe in finance and so forth. Why not look to be doing consultancy services? And the good thing that with this internet era, you can actually have virtual classes through different platforms out there. For example, WebEx, Zoom, Google Teams, you name it. You can actually look to utilize all these for you to be able to start your own consultancy. It could be one-to-one, or even so, it could be a class format. Given people are out there looking for the unique skills which you have, why not jump in these? And you might just be able to make good amount of passive income through this expert, even sometimes upwards of even 10K per month, depending on the level of authority in your field and also how well you've set up this kind of passive income idea. Guys, those are the 7 passive income ideas you can look to exploit for you to be able to make good amounts of passive income, even sometimes upwards of 10K per month. It is possible. All you need to do is actually to start, and over time, you're going to see your efforts get rewarded by you being able to scale up and scale up your income propensity. What do you think about these passive income ideas? I hope you've gotten 1 or 2 which are exciting, and you look forward for you to jump on them and be able to make extra bucks and more so passively. Cheers guys, and I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.